Welcome to the GS2Web blog by Gsheetpress. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to add a featured image to your blog posts the right way. Every post you publish can have a featured image. All you need to do is paste the image URL into the image column right here in your sheet. Now let's go over a few best practices to make sure your images look great and load fast. First, use images that clearly match your article topic. A relevant image builds trust and keeps readers engaged. Second, prefer landscape images for your article covers. They fit blog layouts much better than portrait or square images. Next, fill in the image alt field with a simple description. This helps with accessibility and SEO. If your image provider requires credit, don't forget to fill in the image credit and image source URL fields too. Finally, avoid huge image files. Large images can slow down your pages, especially on mobile devices.